what the unit looks like inside. It comes with 4 combs and an elastic band for extra security, and the unit does not come bleached. So I'm going to be using my foundation on this unit, and it also comes pre-plucked. As you can see, it comes pre-plucked. I love the way the hairline looks. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on my mannequin head. Guys, so this is the finished look. This is a 5 by 5 20 inches body wave unit by I Like Hair, and I love the way this hair really feels. Like, it's so soft, no shedding, no scent. It comes with a lot of gifts. I did get a little bit of flyaways when I was styling this unit, but I just went ahead and used this Care styling wax and it was just fine. I also used the Fruity Sleek and Shine on the unit just to give it like a little bit of freshness. Okay, since I didn't wash the unit this time, styling this unit was a breeze. For those of you that don't have like a lot of edges, this unit is for you. This is my first time styling a 5x5 lace front unit. I have like, this is my first one. I always get like 13x6 lace front unit, but this is the first one. I think like I love the way this one feels on my head. It's small head friendly. I love the fact that I don't have to style my baby hair to the very like to my ear. I just had to focus on this side, which is where the lace was, and cutting off the lace was very easy as well. Those of you that don't have a lot of edges, I highly recommend this unit because you only get to focus on this side of your lace wig. It feels so secure on my head. I have a size small head and this is not tight, it's just perfect. I love the way it looks on me, and that's about it. I highly recommend I Like Hair for your affordable units. Definitely go look them up. Like, the hair is so pretty. I love that the hair is not too full, it's not too thin, it's just the perfect, like it looks natural, like natural. I love like natural. I love the way it looks on me, y'all. Like, look at the curls. I really love this hair. Love this hair. When I was brushing the hair, I didn't get any shedding. It's so pretty. You guys should go check it out and let me know what you think about this unit down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful, subscribe, wear your mask, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.